What makes good waves to surf? This is about the physics of how waves travel. This is a map of the places in the world you can surf. Really good waves to surf usually have to travel across oceans to reach the best surf destinations. As the waves travel great distances, something interesting happens to them. In physics, there's something called wave dynamics, and surf waves follow the same principles. The next picture is a visualization about how storms create wave trains. In the beginning, the waves all have different shapes and sizes. As the wave trains move out over the open ocean, the larger, faster traveling waves get ahead of the others, and the slower ones stay in the middle, and then the slowest are last. The longer these waves travel in the same direction together, the longer they have to line up and make nicely shaped wave trains. This is a principle called constructive interference. The waves have time to move together, and when they match up perfectly, they create really nice, evenly shaped wave trains. When they match up, they also increase in power. These are the two things that make really great waves to surf: a nicely shaped wave and enough power to surf it.